Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Myself and JB and Jackson went out this day just to see what we can find from our local vintage store. This store is located in Annapolis shopping center. If you guys are in the area, check it out. It's called the Barnyard. Really good. We're just walking around. I love to walk through to see what's there. Just a beautiful room divider that we see. I think it was $250. I love to find unique pieces at this store. Eventually gonna see some things that we looked at, and then in the next vlog you will see if we purchase it. So enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and let me know below, do you like to shop at vintage store or just like going to HomeGoods? I love both. Cute. Hey babe, look at this. Babe. Babe. Oh, it's cute. Stop saying always. It's literally one time. Okay. Sit in it, babe. Let me see. Babe, just sit in the chair. I'll push you in it. JB like this. What is it called? A chair with ottoman. Babe, don't knock over everything. I don't know, guys. Okay, guys, so this is later on the same night, I think. Forgive me. So yes, it was the same day. We purchased a sofa. It was a love seat from Homesense for our living room, and I have to rearrange the space to kind of get it in. Okay guys, sorry for the lighting. I know it's nighttime, but I had to get this done. So now you're gonna see me gliding across here with my new chair, which I do love. I do love it. I know some of you guys may not like it, but I do love it, and I can't wait to show the full reveal. That is not the way my entry will look right now. It's a complete restand that took place, but I'm excited I found this piece at Homesense. It fit the budget, it works with the space, and it's a doozy. So enjoy. Babe. Babe. Look at it now. Come here. Oh, you sat down? Okay. I like it better this side. Okay. Guys, I got this sofa from Homesense, right? Did some research on it. It's Magnolia Home, but I don't think it's Magnolia owned by Joanne Gaines. I don't think it is. I think it's just that brand. It works perfectly with the, see, we had that chair before that kind of have the burlap look with the linen finish, and JB and I kind of love that blend. It gives a little bit of femininity and a bit of just a little bit, just, I love the combination, right? So we bought it, and we put it on that side, which is a shorter wall, and it wasn't giving what it's supposed to give, and it bugged me all day. So I decided to flip it to this wall, move the Christmas tree. I don't think I'm going to put a Christmas tree back because I think it'll be too tight. So I'm not quite sure yet. And then I'm going to show you guys what this wall looks like, and I'm going to put the chairs back on this side And maybe I can do one Christmas tree in. So let's go and see what it is. But this is really good. I watched someone video recently and they said they would never buy furniture from HomeGoods or Homesense or those stores. Yes, I'm aware of why you want to do that, because sometimes you do see things in there with scratch and dents and stuff like that. But I think we know what HomeGoods and Homesense sell, right? Sometimes you find some things with imperfection. That's why we get a deal on the price. So I think as a consumer, it's our job, even when we go to our restoration hardware, it's our job to look at the pieces, to inspect the pieces, to make sure we know what we're getting. I bought things from HomeGoods. I bought things from Crate and Barrel that have scratch and imperfection because I choose to do that, and I love a good deal because I can just simply, fix it the way I want to fix. But you just have to look on what you're purchasing, especially at HomeGoods and HomeSense. Check the fabric, pick up the pillars, look at it to make sure there's no scratch or dent. If you do see it, ask for discount. They will give it to you. Check the legs, sit in the chair, relax in there for a minute before you make the purchase, and of course you can always return it. So I don't think you should say that unless you know for a fact that you did your due diligence before you say that, because I think those stores really cater to a lot of our own budget. So let's get back to decorating, okay? Yeah, the gliders. Watch me glide. Okay, guys, so this was the side that we had the sofa on before, and we'll move it to the other side. As I was telling JB, you're gonna see later on that the sofa work best on the other side because that's a longer wall. Even though we have the window, this was too short, and anything that blocks you from having a good functionality of the space, that means that something needs to be rearranged somehow. So that's what I'm doing here. Shortly, I'm going to bring in another chair. It is similar fabric, but it's a different style of chair. I do like the variation and how it just kind of bring a different level of styling to the space and outside of my comfort zone. I love it. You're not gonna see the full reveal tonight. You're gonna see it in another video. Here comes JB with the chair.
How are you? So cozy.
No, for me, come on. So let's go. Beef. So I'm gonna move the tree. I don't know if I can do both trees.
Yes, you can.
But I don't want it to be tight though.
Okay.
But you understand what I'm saying, how it looks better here?
It does.
Why?
It just does.
It's a longer wall.
Oh, you're correct. You get the center of it.
You get the center of it, and then right here we had this kind of cut off right here. So now let's put this back in the sitting room, in the thing. Let me help you. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the chairs. Let me step back and everything. Now, I know it looked a little bit cluttered. I'm going to move the Christmas tree. I'm going to see if I can put it back on the sides, not quite sure. And this is the color I wanted to use, but I think it might be a little bit too harsh in here, so I probably got to change that out. These are the pillars that came with the sofa. Of course, I got to change that out. But right here, I have two different size chair, two different style. I like the mixture of what it is. I just got to try and find a balance. So I'm not quite sure. I'm still going to play around with it a little bit more, and I'm going to come back and show you guys what I come up with. I just don't want a full... I need, not playfulness, but I need for it to work with the built-in. And I think this is what happened when you do a statement piece and then know you got to kind of build around the statement piece. So let me go and play around, and I'll show you guys what I come up with shortly. So because I'm confused about those two chairs, I'm going to go ahead and start styling this table up a little bit. Hopefully that might help me kind of figure things out as I bring in different pieces and taking up pieces. And just a tip, if you guys are decorating a space and you feel overwhelmed, guys, whenever you're starting to feel overwhelmed in styling a space, leave it alone, do something else, and then come back to it. Sometimes it just needs for you to step away, regroup, and come back and just take a second look, and that's what's gonna happen. But you're not gonna see that until the next video. Look at me going into my my little home decor, little hideaway here,
to get a few pieces out because I was determined not to buy anything because I believe I've sourced enough pieces to help me style this very small table. But thanks for watching, guys. Full reveal coming shortly. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys later. Comment and tell me what you think so far, how this space is coming along. Bye.